Last month, I caught myself unlocking my phone and just staring, not even knowing why. My screen time report said I was checking it over 100 times a day. That's when it hit me. I wasn't in control. My apps were. So I decided to run an experiment. Delete everything and live with just 3 apps for 30 days. Messages, calendar, Spotify, nothing else. Here's what happened. Chapter 1. The Setup. In Digital Minimalism, Cal Newport says technology should serve your deepest values, not hijack them. That idea hit me, so I asked, if I had to strip everything down, what's essential? Messages, because relationships matter. Calendar, to keep life organized. Spotify, my one form of entertainment. Everything else. Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, even email, gone. Chapter 2. The Struggle. The first week was tough. My thumb would unlock my phone and hover over empty spaces where apps used to be. Chris Bailey, in Hyperfocus, explains that our brains crave constant stimulation, and app switching gives us tiny dopamine hits. Without them, I felt restless, even anxious. Boredom came fast. Waiting in line, sitting alone, normally I'd scroll. Now I was forced to just sit with my thoughts. It was uncomfortable, but it revealed how much control my apps had over me. Chapter 3. The Breakthrough. By week 2, something shifted. Without constant distractions, my focus deepened. Chris Bailey says, our best ideas come when the mind is allowed to focus or wander without interruption. And that's exactly what happened. Instead of doom scrolling, I was journaling, brainstorming, and finishing tasks faster. My productivity went up, not down. James Clear in Atomic Habits reminds us, environment shapes behavior. By removing 20 distracting apps, I reshaped my environment, and my habits followed. I started reading more, calling friends, and even enjoying silence. Boredom became creativity. Chapter 4. The Results. After 30 days, here's the truth. I didn't miss most of the apps. Sure, I reinstalled a few for work, but my relationship with my phone completely changed. Cal Newport was right. Technology is powerful, but only when it's intentional. Having fewer apps didn't make me less productive. It gave me clarity, time, focus, and, strangely, peace. Chapter 5. The Challenge. So here's my challenge. You don't need to delete everything. Just pick one app, the one that steals your time, and delete it for a week. James Clear says, small changes, big results. One choice could change how you live. If this inspired you, next week I'll share how wasted time secretly rewires your brain and how to break free. Subscribe if you're ready to take back control of your focus, your time, and your life.